Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can edit a high quality TikTok video using CapCut. So first, you just need to add your clips and go to overlay and add this image as overlay. Okay, just fit the size and then go to blend, find dodge and set it to around 70 or 80, 70 to 80. Click on the check icon and now go to video effect, find retro and then select the sharpen effect. Okay, this strong sharpening, adjust it like this. So the intensity, just adjust it into around 15. Okay, and then adjust the second one 50 and 50. Click on the check icon and now adjust it to all of your clips. Now go to adjust and use the settings. So for the brightness and contrast, increase it to 5 and set sharpen 100 and then highlight 10, shadow -3 and then vignette 10. Okay, so now you are good. You can just click on the check icon, and if you want, you can also adjust or change the ratio into a TikTok video, which is 16:9. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.